Everyone, today we are going to do this exercise 8.1 of quadrilateral. Question number 2 we are going to discuss. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So सबसे पहले आपको ये देखना है कि what is given to us. So they are talking about a parallelogram. So this is very important that you draw a parallelogram first. So let's say this ABCD is a parallelogram, and in this the diagonals are equal given. So you can draw diagonals. This is your diagonal AC, this is your diagonal BD. So AC equal to BD, this is given to you, and this you can also write that ABCD is a parallelogram. To show, you have to show that ABCD is a rectangle, but you have to remember one very important thing, that the definition of rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. If you are able to show that angle A or angle B or angle C or angle D is 90 degree, then this parallelogram will become a rectangle. So this you see that how we can show. We write the solution. I'll give you the idea how you can show this. See, if I take triangle ABD and I take triangle ABC, so this diagonal, I can make a rough figure here also. This is one triangle I am going to take, this is another triangle I am going to take, this is D, this is A, this is B, and this is B, this is C, and this is A. So in these two triangles, I can show that these two triangles are congruent. If I am able to show that these two triangles are equal, then I can see that this angle 1 means angle A of this triangle ADB and angle B of this triangle ABC, they both will be equal. So अगर हम ये शो कर दें कि ये ट्राइंगल्स आपके कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, तो हमें क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा कि जो एंगल ए है इस ट्राइंगल का, ADB का एंगल ए और ABC जो ट्राइंगल है उसका एंगल B, ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल हो जाएंगे. इक्वल होने से हमें एक रिजल्ट हमें ये मिलेगा कि एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल बी. ऑल्सो आप देख सकते हो कि एंगल ए और एंगल बी पैरेललोग्राम के दो बेस एंगल्स हैं. सो दीज एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, एंड को इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 180 होता है. दिस वी कैन यूज. सो ये दो इन्फॉर्मेशन यूज करके कि एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल बी है और एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री होगा, वी कैन शो कि एंगल ए और एंगल बी बोथ आर 90 डिग्री. Once you are able to show that angle A, even one angle you show that angle A or angle B that this is 90 degree, then this parallelogram will become the rectangle. So we'll start this solution. We write in triangle ADB and we take triangle. This triangle we take, this is ACB. So we start from here that BD of this triangle and AC of this triangle, they are equal given, and also you see that AB is equal to AB, this is common, and this AD is equal to BC, AD equal to BC, this is opposite sides of parallelogram, sides of parallelogram. So using these three things you can show that triangle ADB congruent triangle ACB by triple S criteria. Now after showing ADB congruent to ACB, I can write angle A is equal to angle B, and this I can write CP CT. So you can mark this as equation number 1. Come to equation number 2, that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree co-interior angles of a parallelogram. So this is the reason, and mark this as equation number 2. So you can write from 1 and 2 that angle A, you can write that B as also as angle A, because angle B equal to this given, this is 180 degree and this is twice of angle A equal to 180 degree. So you can write angle A equal to 90 degree. So you can write now directly this information, that also you can write also ABCD is a parallelogram. It implies that ABCD is a rectangle. So this way we have proved our result, and in this question the most important thing is that you should remember the definitions of all types of quadrilateral. So you can see this once again. Okay, now see question number 2. Show that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. So now what is given, you just see this AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD, these diagonals are bisecting each other, and you can see this angle AOB, this is also 90 degree given. So you have to show that ABCD is a rhombus. But again, very important thing comes, that what is rhombus? That we have already discussed, that rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. So it means, what is your target? That you show this ABCD is a parallelogram first, second you show that all sides are equal. And again, very important thing, if we are able to show that this is a parallelogram, then obviously then opposite sides are equal, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. And next thing that will be left to us, if we are able to show that AB is equal to BC, then we will be done, because AB is already equal to CD according to the definition of parallelogram, and AB equal to BC, if I get this, then it means that all sides are equal. So our target will be that we will first show that ABCD is a parallelogram. So how we can write this? See, since diagonals bisect each other, since diagonals bisect each other, it implies that ABC, you just simply, since diagonals bisect each other, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram, because according to the theorem, any quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other, then the quadrilateral will become a parallelogram. So in this quadrilateral, it is given to us that diagonals are bisecting each other. So we can use the result that if in a quadrilateral diagonals bisect each other, then the quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. So we can use this result, we can write it here, this is fine. Now next we will see that what does it mean. You can also say, that means you can write that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. This result we have already. Now next thing that we are going to show, that AB is equal to BC. So if I want to show that AB is equal to BC, then I will take triangle, these two triangles I will take, triangle AOB and triangle, you can take triangle COB, triangle COB. So we can show that these two triangles are congruent using this AO equal to OC, this is given, and this you can see OB equal to OB, this is common. And next is this angle, you mark this as angle 1, better we mark angle 1, and this is angle 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, each 90 degree, it is given. So now we have come to the conclusion that these two triangles AOB, I can say this is COB, they both triangles are congruent, and congruent you can see which rules they are using, side, angle, side. So this is side angle side. Now next thing comes that AB is AB equal to BC. It means you can mark this as you write this first CP CT and mark this equation number 2 and mark this as equation number 1, this one. So here you can say from 1 and 2, it implies, or you can say ABCD is a rhombus. You have used the definition of the basic concepts, so this way you can show that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, now you can see this question number 4. Show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So now we have to show that AC equal to BD and AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD and AC equal to BD, and this angle 1, you can see this angle 1, you have to show this is equal to 90 degree. This is angle 1. So now we will discuss again on the basis of what definition says about these quadrilateral. So सबसे पहले now you see कि ABCD एक स्क्वायर है. आपको डेफिनेशन में पहले से ही बताया हुआ है कि कोई भी स्क्वायर सबसे पहले वो एक पैरेललोग्राम होता है, उसके बाद ही फिर वो स्क्वायर की अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. जैसे स्क्वायर की डेफिनेशन ये है कि इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. This is what the definition says about square. So our first thing that is already been proved that this is a parallelogram and you know parallelogram में जो diagonals होते हैं वो bisect each other करते हैं. तो आपका ये वाला जो रिजल्ट है AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, ये ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप ही प्रूव हो जाएगा once you show that, once you write that ABCD is a parallelogram. Next we have to show that AC equal to BD. You can see this AC and you can see this BD. अगर मुझे ये दो ट्राइंगल्स लेने पड़ेंगे ADB और ट्राइंगल लेना पड़ेगा ABC. अगर मैं इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो कर दूंगा तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो करने से मैं शो कर सकता हूँ कि AC और BD मेरे इक्वल हो जाएंगे. और उसके बाद जो अगला पार्ट हम करेंगे, वी विल टेक दिस ट्राइंगल AOB, हम एक AOB लेंगे और एक COB लेंगे. उसी तरीके से इनको कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो करेंगे और एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 शो करेंगे CPCT से. बट आप ये भी देख सकते हो कि एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 जो है लीनियर पेयर भी फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो इसका सम 180 भी होगा. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन शो दैट एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सो नाउ वी राइट द प्रूफ. We write solution is start from here. We first write that ABCD is a parallelogram because it is given that it is a square. So first thing you have shown that ABCD is a parallelogram because it is given that start. ABCD is a parallelogram because it is given that it is a square. So we can directly write this statement, and another statement that AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. So you can write that here diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So this is again the result of one of the theorem that you have already done. We can use that theorem statement and we can directly say AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. Now next thing that we have to show that AC equal to BD. Now our next target is that we show AC equal to BD. So हम वही दो triangles ले लेते हैं. इन triangle figure में देखिए, इन triangle ADB and triangle we take BCA. This is BCA we take. Now here we can see that AB equal to AB. This is common, and AD is equal to BC. This is sides of square, and you know all sides are equal, so we can say, simply write sides of a square. Next thing, one more thing you need to write so that you can make them congruent, and that is that angle, each angle is 90 degree. So you can write here angle A equal to angle B, each start. So this is each angle is 90 degree. So you can now write that triangle ADB congruent triangle BCA by SAS. So AC equal to BD, you will get this or you can say BD equal to AC, or AC equal to BD, you can say this is by CP CT. So you have proved this one more part, and here also you have proved that one part. Now last part is left, and that last part is that we have to show this angle 1 equal to 90 degree. So now we have to take another set of triangles, this triangle AOB and triangle COB. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So you can write that AB equal to BC sides of a square, you can give this reason, and that AO equal to OC from, you can mark this as star, here we can mark this as double star. So from that star you have written this, and last one more thing is left, which is BO equal to BO, this is common. So you can say this triangle AOB congruent triangle COB, again with the help of the result you have used side side side, so you can write this triple S. So we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2, you can write here CP CT, and after this start. Now you can also see that also angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. So from this you can write this here result, that twice angle 1 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. You can write the reason here, this is linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree, so twice of angle 1 equal to 180 degree, angle 1 equal to now 90 degree, 180 divided by 2 is 90 degree. So mark this triple star. So we have now proved all the parts that we were looking for, that AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, we have got this in star, this AC equal to BD, we have got this in double star, and angle 1 equal to 90 degree we have got in this triple star. Now in question number 5, this ABCD is a quadrilateral given in which AC equal to BD, this is given to you, and diagonals are bisecting each other, means AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD given, and AOB is 90 degree given. Now you have to show that ABCD is a square. Again the important thing comes, अगर आपको ABCD को स्क्वायर शो करना है तो आप डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि इसकी डेफिनेशन क्या है. इसकी डेफिनेशन है कि ABCD एक पैरेललोग्राम होता है जिसमें ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं और ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. तो हमें कहीं ना कहीं पहले ये शो करना पड़ेगा कि एक पैरेललोग्राम में वन थिंग, दूसरा हमें शो करना पड़ेगा कि ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, तीसरा हमें शो करना पड़ेगा कि जो ईच एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री है. तो कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, सबसे पहले जस्ट देखिए. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर दैट डायगोनल्स आर बाइसेक्टिंग ईच अदर, देयरफॉर ABCD is a parallelogram. Since diagonals are bisecting each other, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. So we have shown that ABCD is a parallelogram, and you know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal. Now just have to show that AB equal to AD. If I am able to show AB equal to AD and AB equal to CD is already, with the help of ABCD is a parallelogram. So my target is that I show AB equal to AD. So ये वाली condition पूरी हो जाएगी जिसमें कि all sides are equal, and then we'll move to the third condition. So how we can start this? We have to take these two triangles. So in triangle we take AOB and triangle AOD you take. So you can show that AO equal to AO, this is common, and next you can show that DO is equal to OB, this is given, and last thing is that you can mark this as angle 1 or this as angle 2, or you simply write angle AOB and angle AOD each 90 degree, this is again given. So you can write triangle AOB congruent triangle AOD, and criteria, you know, this is side angle side, so this is side angle side criteria. Now we have shown AOB and AOD are congruent, so we can write this AB is equal to AD, and you can write this CP CT. Mark this equation number 2. Now this equation number 1, that we have shown ABCD is a parallelogram, it means opposite sides are already equal from 2, so we can write from here from 1 and 2, AB all sides are, you can say from 1 and 2, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, you can write all sides are equal. Now the last part is that we have to show angle A, or you can say angle B is 90 degree. So now we have to take again two triangles. This first triangle, this is D, this is D, this is A, this is B, and second triangle you have to take, this is B, this is A, this is C. Now this is given to us that AB equal to this DB equal to AC, first thing, and these are opposite sides of parallelogram, they are also equal given, and this equal to this, they both are common. So I can say that these two triangles are congruent. Once I am able to show that these are congruent, I can say angle A, this, and angle B, they will be equal by CPCT, and I also know that ये जो दो angles हैं, angle A और B, they are also co-interior angles of the parallelogram, so they will be equal. So from there I will get the last result. So we take in triangle ADB and triangle, you can say ABC A. So in this you can write this AD is equal to BC, and you can mention the reason, opposite sides of parallelogram. Next you can write AC, this BD is equal to AC, this is also given, and AB is equal to AB, this is common. So these two triangles ADB will be congruent to triangle BCA by triple S, and angle A will be equal to this angle of this triangle, and this angle of this triangle will be equal to B by CP CT. So mark this third. Also you write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and write reason, co-interior angles. So now from here, from these two, I can get angle A plus angle A, because you could replace angle B as A, is equal to 180 degree, and you can write from here 2A equal to 180 degree, which implies angle A equal to 90 degree. So now this way I have proved all the parts that AB, through which I can write that ABCD is a parallelogram. But we can mark this ABCD 1, and this result we can mark this as all sides equal. Mark this result as 1, this you mark as let's say this as star, and this result as double star. So write the final line from 1 star and double star. It implies that ABCD is a square.